Lids, you forgot your bag. No, I don't know where we am. Where we am? Where we are. It's the altitude, it's getting to me already.
What are you blowing already?
What do you mean what I'm blowing already is? I've gone uphill. In Brecon Beacons. Today with...
Lids.
Thank you.
And Houlty.
Lids and Houlty.
We've just started, throwing out our hands.
Just started. We've got so much food and kit with us. It's actually going to be really exhausting. We're doing 4 peaks today, finding a campsite and then chilling. But we've got to get there first. So, oh my God, it's so hard already. I do feel bad walking through this field, knowing that we're eating lamb later. It's just not very pleasant, is it? Well, not for them.
Not bad for you, mate.
Oh, Jesus. Alright, we're trying to decide which way is the best way to go. And we're just going to straight line it. Because they're moaning about their ankles hurting. It's a little whiny babies. I shouldn't say that because I'm about to be the whiny baby. Okay, we're oh Jesus, halfway up. A bit of a slope. This is how we're climbing it. It is steep. Sliding down it would be quite easy if it was really wet. Unfortunately, it's not that wet, it's just a bit windy and soft. How are you feeling?
Oh, fresh air. Yeah, show them we just climbed up.
Yeah.
Show them from up here.
I'm trying. Jesus, that's steep. Top of the world, boys. Pick a decent song. We're pretty tired and we've got a long way to go. But we'll stop. We'll stop in a minute. Mike's getting old, bless him. He fell off a climbing frame the other day and broke his shoulder. Now his back's hurting, so I found a replacement for him.
Oh, I just said that fell out his ass.
Just got our first peak at Penavan. It's still quite far away, and it's still very far up to go as well.
Got a mountain of a climb ahead of us. Oh, it's gonna be a long day.
Stop it. In my last video, I said next time I'm just going to do a nice lightweight adventure. I've done the opposite. I've got more kit now than I did last time. Oh well. Let's keep going. Hard climb so far?
Huh?
Hard climb?
Yeah, it's been solid.
Oh, thank God for that. I thought it was just me. We've mixed up our path, as in we changed what we're doing, because this way gives us a better campsite at the end.
You make it like you're making out you planned it.
Yeah, I have planned it. This morning, after breakfast. We've lucked out with the weather here though, haven't we?
Yeah.
Why have you said that?
Because I'm hoping for rain. Right, let's go. Last descent, tiny little scramble, and we'll be at the top. See you there. mind?
Oh, I'm videoing.
Oh, sorry.
Carry on.
Carry on, mate.
Three best friends that anyone could have.
Oh.
So just got to the top of Penavan. Just over there. Enjoy it.
Yeah.
Yeah, class mate.
Big fanny next.
Bit of a scramble.
Funny big.
Oh, fanny big, sorry.
Big fan of that.
And we just sat down for a coffee, which I'm going to put on now. Lids is enjoying his jelly because he's a 4-year-old. His yogurt. He's got his yogurt.
We're at yogurt, mate.
You have to give him a squirt yogurt, otherwise he spills it all over himself.
No levels.
And then we're going to decide where we're going to go next. I guess. Yeah.
Solid.
Pretty well.
Sweet. So, we've decided to make some holy water. You get normal water and you boil the hell out of it. Hey, joke of the day.
How long have you been waiting to do that?
Oh, since we left the house.
Brentford
Right,
reached championship playoff.
coffee and a snack.
Yeah.
Oh, shut up. Football talk. Bloody. Just had coffee, hot chocolate. Lids had his yogurt because he's a 4-year-old. And just gonna walk along to the next peak, turn around, come back to this one, and then walk down the other side. And just try and find somewhere to camp. Yeah? Plan? Last time I was up this one, I was with Nikki. Now I've taken these 2 donuts. Muppets. So done Penavan, done Cordu, which is that one, behind Mike's Swede. And now we've just done Penavan again. Steep descent done, now steep ascent. How you feeling?
Oh, re-energised, mate. I've had me Snickers, had me yogurt, I had me jelly. I'm ready.
Have me jelly. Oh.
Oh, lovely. We'll go round. I'm going round.
Get to the top, fruit past us.
They are good, man. They are good. Right. That was a good little slog, that. Yeah.
I will look over the edge, but I'm not gonna.
I will.
Well, you need to because we're walking that way.
Oh.
We've decided to come this way. I say we. I decided to come this way. It's pretty steep either side, but it's pretty steep in front of us as well. That was the last steep descent, hopefully.
Woo! Woo!
Boys are happy. Fruit pastel's got them going.
Woo!
Shut up. So now we just got to find somewhere to camp. It is 4 o'clock. We found a forest sort of in the distance, so that's where we're walking.
3 hours, 20 minutes walking. Oh my god, yeah. It's so elite. Yeah. Ow. Oh, I put my hand in shit. You ain't cooking a lamb tonight. I'm coming. Slide! Slide!
Okay, we're in the valley now, as you can hear. And we found a really nice camper spot. So it's just there. We're just trying to find a nice, easy way to cross this river. I'm just gonna walk across. Take my boots off. Screw it. Oh, that's chilly! It's not refreshingly chilly either, it's just cold. Oh, and the sharp rocks, it's just all terrible. This is awful. You know, I'm gonna chuck the phone. I need both hands for this. Oh my god. That sucked. That really hurt. Yeah. Okay. We have found camp for the night. It's not a bad campsite at all. Plenty of running water. Plenty of cover from the wind. Lots of dead trees around. Somebody else has had a fire here before. So yeah, ideal really. Ideal. Where do you want to